Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reboot your iPhone 11 or any of the newer iPhone in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, the first and the easy way to do this is by using the volume up and the side button. You need to press and hold at the same time simultaneously for about a few seconds, and a menu like this will pop up, and then you're going to slide to power off. From there on, to reboot it back up, you're going to hold on to this big side button until the Apple logo appears, or just connect it to a charger. Now, another way to also get to that menu is pulling down that top control center, and then right here is a power icon. Now, once you press that power icon, you're going to see slide to power off, and you're just going to do the same exact thing. Now, you can also access that from by going into your settings and then general, and then scrolling down all the way to shut down, and again slide to power off, and then you can reboot it back on by holding that big side button or connecting to a charger. Now, the most simple way to do it is also using Siri, which can do this in one shot. So just activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or pressing in this button and say, "Hey Siri, reboot my iPhone." Yes. And then Siri is just going to ask you to confirm. From there on, Siri will both turn off and on, basically rebooting your iPhone without you having to touch the screen or any of the buttons. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. And we'll see you guys next time.